FORMR equals mandatory for any foreign cash over $10,000. That's 114,000 euros in your case. 4. Software exports it services consulting. Screen blank form right pointing arrow step-by-step filling. Watch me fill your exact form now. Field 1. Remitter Lin Consulting GM Portugal. Type it live. Field 2. Status ASSOCIATE checkmark UCP NIL. Enter. Field 3. Purpose software export code 9184 highlight yellow. Field 4. Amount euro 114,000 feet. Words 114,000 only. Zoom. Field 5. Your company the Chernow Private Limited NTN 37855X2 Karachi L389. Sign here. Draw signature. Done in 2 minutes.